فشخ.
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 موزة.
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 Hermosa.
What does it mean that?
Pretty.
Okay.
Puerta.
Puerta. Something eat.
No.
Place.
No.
Not beautiful.
No.
Beautiful.
No.
City. Milk. Eggs. I know. What's it mean that?
You give up?
Yeah.
Door.
Door. Okay. Bab.
Hair.
Nah.
Shirt.
Nah.
I give up.
Door.
Arroz.
Arroz. Like security.
No.
Something eat.
Yes.
Milk. Egg.
No. No.
Salmon.
No.
I give up.
You give up?
Yeah.
Rice.
Rice.
Arroz.
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 Arroz. Arroz.
In Egypt we say ruz.
Arroz.
Ruz. Yeah. Ruz. It's similar.
It's the
Yeah.
same.
Pantalon.
Pants.
Yes. How you know that?
Spanish. Pantalon.
So beautiful. Beautiful فشخ. جميلة فشخ. So.
So
Yeah. فشخ.
fashk.